Hey guys, what is up? It's Melanie, and today I'm gonna be doing a outfit slash fashion inspiration video, which I haven't done in a while, so I'm super excited. And today's video is gonna be inspired by the clean girl aesthetic, or kind of like a minimalistic. I think they overlap a lot. So I will be talking you guys through some of my styling recommendations and tips that make it so much easier to come up with outfits. I will also be telling you some of the essentials you need to make up these outfits, but if you have basics in your wardrobe, you could basically recreate any of these in some sort. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to be showing you guys 10 different outfits, and yeah, there's basically infinite if you have different colors of things and lots of mixing and matching going on here. So let's get straight into it. Hey guys, it's Melanie, voiceover Melanie, giving you just a little overview and talking you through these 10 outfits that I came up with. As you'll see through all of these outfits, they're pretty much a different compilation of different basics and different colors. You'll be seeing a lot of monochrome because I've been digging that. I also love neutrals. I think there are a lot of key staple pieces that would make a great clean girl aesthetic in your closet, so I'll be talking through some of my favorites for that. For this first outfit, it's pretty much as simple as it can get. We love the high neck top. This one is from Amazon, and I believe it is a dupe for an Aritzia top, the Babaton one. And then I'm just wearing some high-waisted jeans. Of course, rips or no rips, I feel like it still looks pretty clean. And these ones are from Zara, but I thrifted them. I also love adding simple accessories that go together, so I just put on this matching mini purse and these little sunglasses, and I matched them with my Doc Martens sandals. Absolutely love how simple the second option is, and there's probably infinite ways to recreate this once you get different color matching sets. I cannot say enough good things about matching sets, especially in white. It looks so good by just adding little different accessories, whether that's gold jewelry or a different colored button-up top. I swear I could wear this every day of the week. You can also just change it out with different clothing items that are white. I own a lot of white, as you guys will probably tell in this video, but I'm wearing this top, which I could also wear every day of the week, from Aritzia. It's from TNA, but you can get them pretty much anywhere by now. And my shorts are actually from Target. They were on sale for only $9 in the kids section. And then I also paired it with a nice little button up that I thrifted. This one is pinstripe, but you can also use any solid color. Even a flannel would look great with it. I feel like I've also been seeing people tie their button-up shirts in a lot of different ways, and I think it gives a nice little touch. It's kind of like that coastal granddaughter vibe, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know, it makes you look a little older, and I think it's adorable and looks way better than tying your shirt around your waist, might I add. For this third outfit, this is a very simple detail, but I think it really makes your outfit very cohesive and match quite well. But if your top matches your shoes, I think it is so cute. And I also just added in a little bit of color with the button up. This button up I just thrifted. The top is from Brandy Melville. My jeans are from Princess Polly, and then my shoes are just some Converse. Once again, this is an outfit that can be very interchangeable. You could just swap the top out with different size tops. You could do a turtleneck, you could wear a different bralette. Of course, you could swap the button up out with various patterns or colors. Also, just wanted to point out a little tip that I have is just wearing matching jewelry. I kind of have this set that is somewhat interchangeable with different gold pieces, but very dainty and gold. I have like 3 necklaces that I've layered, and my earrings are from mostly Amazon, but just big gold hoops. Always look so clean. And then I have a set of a bunch of dainty gold rings. I find that wearing matching jewelry that you don't have to take off every time you shower or when you sleep makes you look a lot more put together without even trying. For this fourth outfit, we are whipping out a dress. This dress is actually found in the lingerie section, which is also a little hack. They have a lot of nice little silky lacy dresses, but I thrifted it. And my shoes are these kind of Mary Jane looking sandals that I got from Yes Style. I think wearing just white and black is very classic and clean. Can't really go wrong with it. And I also think that if you swap out the little lacy dress for more of one of those like travel dresses that are kind of in right now, it would also look very clean and cute. Onto outfit number 5, you will be seeing this kind of bralette tank top a lot. I think these are awesome because they're so simple. I have it in so many colors. It is so easy to layer with them because they work kind of as a bra or a tank top. This one is actually from Cotton On. My jeans are Levi's, but I thrifted them, and then these big chunky booties are from Princess Polly, and they are some of my absolute favorites. Pair of nice solid Chelsea boots are a staple for making any basic outfit. And then I also put on this button up that I also thrifted, but I also think it's super cute if you button it up, roll the sleeves, looks very classy, almost work friendly. Alright, on to outfit number 6. This is something I feel like I wouldn't typically pick out. It kind of reminds me more of a clean going out, maybe a little more city, but I actually love how this looks. And I also usually don't wear too much black, which is why I really liked the lighter jeans for this, but you could definitely swap this out with any other pants just because it's, I mean, everything else you're wearing in the outfit is black. But I am just wearing this kind of high neck top that I got from Uniqlo. I actually tucked it under my bra a little bit to look a little bit more like a bralette. And I layered on this leather jacket that I thrifted. I'm wearing the same bottoms basically as the last outfit, which goes to show how interchangeable everything is. Honestly, the whole clean girl aesthetic is a lot of basic pieces that you can pair together, and it's honestly very resourceful because you just reuse things and you look put together. Outfit number 7 kind of goes back to what I was talking about earlier with matching set. This one, I'm wearing the same white crop top from Aritzia, but instead of white shorts, I swapped it out for some white jeans. These ones are from Princess Polly, and they have little slits in the knees, but I'm wearing the same white Nikes. And I also decided to throw on a big sweatshirt that's from Brandy. I also think these outfits look really cute when your hair is put up, of course, in a claw clip or a low bun, some gold hoops to go with it, or any kind of statement gold earrings. Outfit number 8 finally brings in some different pants, and I am styling kind of these trouser looking pants that I once again thrifted. I definitely styled these a lot more casual, not very work friendly, as you can tell by how cropped my top is, but you can also definitely pull these up and make them high-waisted with a belt if you wanted to. I added these shoes that are more sandals to make it a little more casual that are from Yes Style, and I also added an option of wearing a button up either loosely like so. You could definitely tuck it in or do the whole shebang with wrapping it around your shoulders if you want. The second to last outfit is another that is a little more fancy, maybe going out, maybe dinner, and it's also very much black and white, very simple. I'm just wearing this halter top that kind of ties in the back. It shows a lot of back, which I think is very, very clean. The jeans are just these slit knee jeans that are from Princess Polly. I wear all the time, and then the boots are the same ones I've been styling a bunch in this video. So this entire outfit is actually from Princess Polly. And then for for the 10th and final outfit, I am showing you guys another way to style a matching set. In this one, I decided to match my shoes to my overcoat. I'm using just a white button-up that I have styled earlier in this video, but of course you could wear it with any kind of zip-up or jacket also. I just think it looks really cute when, you know, you have your matching set underneath and then you have your shoes matching to something else. It kind of makes the outfit a lot more cohesive. This entire set is from Brandy. They have a bunch of colored sets and it's kind of nice that you can get everything in different color schemes. Once again, this button up is thrifted and my shoes are high top Converse. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some style inspiration. If you want more outfit inspiration, you can go ahead and check me out on Instagram because I post my outfit pretty much every day there, or every day that I get dressed up because there's a lot of days I'm a sweatpants girl. But anyways, be sure to let me know in the comments if there are any other like aesthetics or styles you guys want me to come up with outfits for, and I would love to do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video helped you out and you enjoyed some of the outfits. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily. I was literally sitting on all my clothes here, guys. It's embarrassing, but